This is going to be a video tutorial on how to download a web page as a PDF using the Opera GX web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Opera GX web browser opened up now. I'm currently on my YouTube page. To save a web page as a PDF, the first thing you want to do is scroll to the bottom of the web page to load the entire web page into your browser. Then you want to go to an open area of the web page, an empty area where there's nothing at. You want to right click. Then you'll go up to where it says Save as PDF and click on Save as PDF. A little dialog box will open up asking you where you want to save the PDF, what you want the name of the PDF to be. Down here it says it's being saved as a PDF. Then you'll go down to the bottom and you'll click on Save. Now I'm going to go to that folder where I saved the PDF. I'm going to open it up. And there is the web page that I just saved as a PDF. It saves it pretty much perfectly. That is how to save a web page as a PDF using the Opera GX web browser. Thanks for watching.